let's get mixing the dirt and let's lay a few rocks. Gotta get on it. Looks like storm's coming in here. So do the best we can here. Alright. Got a lot of stuff I want to do to it. Make it mine. I'm gonna make it special too. It's gonna look bad. It's gonna look awesome. I can find some white cedar. I'm gonna get you some white cedar and put on the where the fireplace and stove go, like the mantle for the mantle. So I gotta go dig me up some cedar. Probably make the wooden window shutters. I ain't sure yet. A friend of mine's got a window, but it's like a new age kind of window, you know, aluminum white. So I mean, I can either use that. I wish I could find just an old window frame, you know, out of an old house or something like that, but I got time to sit around waiting. We're building right now, so we got to get on it.